Alright, so this is a demo of my wireless PLC controlled RC car. I'm using two relay boards, one for the output from the PLC to my Arduino that will send wirelessly to the robot, and then I will receive feedback from these four sensors along the sides of the robot back to this relay board, which is connected to the inputs of the PLC. Since not all four of my motors are working, one of them seems to have failed, I will be showing you how the sensors are being read wirelessly from the PLC. When they see the black line, the PLC will know that there's a line there wirelessly. And then I will also demonstrate the motion commands sent out from the PLC to physically move the robot one way or the other. However, since, like I said, one motor is not working, it will not be the most straight. As you can see here, there's no black line being seen by the robot, so there should be no outputs on the PLC being high, as you can see there. And just to prove that it's completely wireless, we'll now move the robot to the start of the maze. And as you can see here, the left sensor, right sensor, and back sensor should be seeing the black line. Therefore, the outputs should be high on the PLC. And as you can see here, those three outputs are high. Now, when I move this robot to this part of the maze, we should see the left sensor and the front sensor high and the right and back low. And here it is, the front and left sensors are seeing the black line and the others are not. Now if we move this robot to the third crucial point of this maze, we will see that the front and right sensors should be high and the left and back should be low. And here is the output on the PLC. Front and right high, back and left low. Now if we move the robot to the final point in the maze, we should see that the left, right, and back sensors should see the black tape, whereas the front sensor should not. And as you can see here, front sensor is not seeing it and the rest are. Alright, so here I've got my forward, back, right, and left commands, which will toggle an output, which will then trigger the relays here and go through my wireless communication system over to my robot itself. So you'll see that it won't be going in a straight line due to the fact that that back left motor has been fried and is no longer working. Now if I toggle the forward command, it goes forward. Now if I go back, you'll see, even though it's not straight, it will go in the opposite direction. And then I've got my right command, which will make the robot go right. And then I've got my left command, which will make it go left, which would be toward me, I believe. Yes, toward me. And as I said previously, since that back left motor is fried and the back left wheel will not turn, I would have been able to, given the previous videos, follow this path using my sensor readings and some PLC logic. However, since it can't go in a straight line, it's unable to do that, so I've split up the concepts separately. but the control signals are working wirelessly. As you can see, there's nothing between me, and there we go.